In this video, I'm going to share with you the step-by-step process, the 3-step funnel to automate 50 subscribers. My name is Andy Audate. I've sold over 5,000 customers on digital marketing, from webinars, one-on-one calls, and so forth. And I've done it personally, and I'm going to share with you if you sell software, or if you sell courses, or if you are a coach. And as a coach, course seller, or a software seller, you're looking to create monthly recurring revenue. Well, this video is going to be for you, my friend. Monthly recurring revenue is where you sell something one time and you're able to get paid every single month. And the value of monthly recurring revenue is you can sell that thing one time, and every single month you're not on the hunt for new customers. And I'm going to share with you this 3-step funnel that I've discovered to automate 50 subscribers. Here, we call this the traffic to automated webinar to one-on-one onboarding. It's so simple. Whenever you hear on YouTube or online, man, how challenging it must be to make 10 grand a month or 15 grand a month or an extra $5,000 a month. It's actually not challenging, it's simple. The simplicity of it makes it look like it's too easy and people want to make it more complex. What I'm going to share with you is this 3-step process on how to get your first 50 subscribers all automatic. Okay, here's the journey here. It starts off on a traffic source. Traffic is when you get people off of the platform that they're currently spending time on. So let's imagine this. You have Facebook as a traffic source. Now, Facebook is very popular as a traffic source because there's so much data on Facebook, and there's billions, yes, billions of users that use the Facebook platform. And there's so much data from what your email address is, to what type of phone that you have, to what type of content that you like to look at. And because Facebook has all of that data, they can choose which ad to place in front of you. So let's say, for example, you sell makeup. They're not going to put makeup in front of me. I'm not a customer of makeup to buy makeup. My wife, on the other hand, who loves makeup, based on her past scrolling habits, we can identify that my wife likes makeup, and Andy likes to create stuff in the gym. Andy loves content about growth. Andy loves content about making money. So that type of content Andy sees, but the makeup content my wife sees. So you're able to target your ideal customer on Facebook. So Facebook is a great traffic source to start driving traffic. Another one is going to be Instagram. That is both owned by the same company. Facebook, Instagram, they're both owned by Meta. Another traffic source is going to be YouTube. YouTube and Google, another traffic source with more data points on all of us as we scroll and watch content on YouTube. They're able to see which content we like the most on YouTube, and they're putting ads in front of you. And you, as an entrepreneur, you can capitalize on this. So your ideal customer today is already on Facebook, is already on Instagram, is already on YouTube, is already on Google. They're already on those platforms. They're already spending time on that platform. So you can pay a little bit of money to Facebook. Think about it, $5 a day can get you in front of your ideal customer. Imagine spending $5 to get a customer that pays you every single month. So YouTube and Google, these are platforms that you can pay to get in front of your ideal customers. Now, once you get your ideal customer's name, email, phone number, you can send them to blogs and newsletters and take them from those platforms directly into an automated webinar. So directly from Facebook, you can take that traffic from Facebook, send it to an automated webinar, or from Instagram to an automated webinar, from YouTube or Google to an automated webinar. Another platform that is one of my hidden gems is $leads.ai. $leads.ai is a platform that you can spend $1 for a lead. It's in the name, $leads.ai. Spend $1 for a lead, so if you want 100 leads, that's $100. And now you have 100 potential customers that you can send marketing emails and text message marketing to send them to your automated webinar. So that's my hidden secret here, is $leads.ai. Now you're going to take that traffic and you're going to send them to the automated webinar. Now, on the automated webinar, there's 2 key things that you need to have on your automated webinar. Number 1 is going to be the 15-minute timer. That means every 15 minutes, there's a new webinar that's playing. That's number 1. And number 2 is a chat simulator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take you into my computer where I'm going to show you step by step on how to set one of these up, step by step. So that way you don't have to figure it out on your own. I'm going to show you step by step on how you can set this up here. So you're going to have a 15-minute timer. That means every 15 minutes, it's going to feel like your customer is just in time to watch your presentation. They don't have to wait a month. They don't have to wait 2 days. They can watch it just in the next 15 minutes. The number 2 thing that's needed on this automated webinar is the chat simulator. The chat simulator makes it feel like there's a large group of people on the webinar. Those 2 things is going to increase your conversion. When you get a sale on here, on the automated webinar, which is this is where the sale takes place, they watch a 45-minute to 90-minute presentation. On this presentation is where they make a buying decision. That means no more sales calls, no more phone calls, no more one-on-one sales calls that's needed. You bring them to one presentation that you recorded one time. Then they watch this 45-minute to 90-minute presentation, and then after that, they go through one-on-one onboarding. Now, here's what you'll see that has been like a trend on digital marketing, online and so forth, is where people will tell you to sell on one-on-one sales calls. Here's why I highly advise about get away from selling on one-on-one sales calls. The reason why, it takes a lot of time. It takes time, it takes energy to potentially get a sale. If you should be meeting with anybody on a Zoom call, for example, it should be with somebody who's already giving you money, somebody who's already paid you. So the onboarding call is from a customer who's already giving you money. That's the difference here, ladies and gentlemen. Most people online are going to tell you, hey, the gurus and so forth are going to say, hey, run an ad to a one-on-one sales call. On that one-on-one sales call is when you try to close people. Who's got the time to sit on Zoom calls one-on-one with people who may or may not be interested? And if you've done it long enough, you're going to experience where people don't show up. I've had countless of no-shows when I operated the one-on-one sales call strategy. So instead, I flipped it on its head, and now we do these automated sales presentations where we send our customer to watch a video. And one of the cool things, one of the tools that I use, I'll tell you the tool that I use, is called WebinarCore. You can write this down, WebinarCore. In WebinarCore, it allows you to, WebinarCore.com. WebinarCore.com allows you to track how long your participant watched the video. This is not sending them to like a random YouTube video. You're sending them to a specific platform to track how long they've watched the presentation. So if somebody sat down and watched a presentation, a 45-minute video, and they spent 44 minutes in the video, that's the person I want to talk to. That's the person I want to reach out to. If the person only watched 5 minutes into the video, I don't want to have the conversation with that person just yet because they don't know about what I offer. They don't know what you offer. So in order to get the highest amount of conversions, you want to use a platform like WebinarCore.com. So automated webinar, they watch a 45-minute to 90-minute presentation. After the presentation, that's when you actually get on a Zoom call with the person, but that's because they've already paid you. If you like this type of comment, I want you to comment. Let me know that you like this type of content, as well as subscribe, so that way you get notified on any time I have content like this coming out.